Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going over the top 7 overpriced golf carts on the market. These might look flashy and come with tons of hype, but when it comes to real value, they just don't make the cut. So, let's save you some serious cash and look at these expensive letdowns that you're better off avoiding. But before we proceed, make sure you are subscribed and have notifications enabled so you stay up to date on new videos and updates. Let's dive right in. Kickstarting our list is the Garia Via 2 plus 2. The Garia Via 2 plus 2 is a luxurious street-legal option, often costing over $20,000. It's got a sleek design and high-end interiors. However, its performance doesn't match its luxury image. With a top speed of around 25 miles per hour, it's meant for leisurely neighborhood drives, not for serious travel or rugged terrain. It's built more for style and status than for versatility. And when compared to other street-legal carts, it doesn't offer a huge advantage in terms of speed or range. Another thing people might not realize is that a luxury cart often comes with luxury upkeep costs. Garia uses premium parts, so any repairs or part replacements will come at a premium too. From specialty batteries to high-end seats, you're likely looking at higher than average maintenance bills over the years. The Garia golf cart is just not practical. The price tag far outweighs the benefits, and you can find street-legal golf carts with similar specs for a fraction of the cost. If you're not using it as a statement piece, save your money. There are similar options without the luxury markup. At number 2, we have the Club Car Onward Special Edition. This golf cart is known for its luxury feel, but it comes with a hefty price tag. Starting around $15,000 or more, it has a nice design and some premium touches, but for that kind of money, you're mostly paying for the brand. There are other options with similar quality at a lower price point that offer just as much, if not more. Unless you're a Club Car superfan, skip it. You're paying for the name more than the performance. At number 3, we have the Cushman Shuttle 2. While Cushman's Shuttle 2 is marketed as a practical utility cart, it comes with a hefty price tag of around $9,000 to $11,000. For that kind of money, you might expect some standout features, but in reality, you're getting a pretty basic setup. This cart is designed for hauling and storage, yet there are other options on the market that can accomplish the same tasks at a much lower price. It's functional, yes, but unless you're specifically tied to the brand, you're likely to find more value elsewhere. Moving on to number 4, we have the Polaris Gem E4. This neighborhood electric vehicle is street legal and includes a variety of safety features, making it an appealing choice for local drives. However, with a price point of around $15,000, the Gem E4 is a significant investment. The problem is that its actual performance doesn't quite justify the premium price tag. It's a convenient option for getting around town, but there are other street-legal carts with comparable safety features and better performance for less money. Our verdict? If you're spending this much, consider exploring other options that deliver more value and a smoother ride. Our 5th pick is the Tomberlin Emerge GT. Tomberlin's Emerge GT promises a lot with its safety features and high-end design, but at over $14,000, the performance doesn't exactly measure up. It's designed for enthusiasts who want safety tech in their carts, but for casual drivers, this isn't money well spent. Unless you really need advanced safety features in a cart, skip this model. There are more affordable options with similar features. At number 6, we have the Yamaha Drive 2 PTV. Yamaha golf carts are known for their reliability, but this model pushes the limits of affordability, priced around $10,000 to $12,000. While it has some nice features, like a quiet ride and fuel efficiency, its price tag doesn't justify the marginal upgrades over the standard models. Finally, we have the Star EV Sirius 2 plus 2. This cart has a stylish look and a few cool tech features, but it's priced well over $12,000. For that price, it lacks significant performance boosts, making it another example of style over substance. If looks are your priority, this might appeal to you, But for practical buyers, this one doesn't add enough value to justify the price. And there you have it, 7 overpriced golf carts you're better off avoiding. Remember, sometimes the brand and the appearance don't always equal value. Look for the carts that give you real performance, comfort, and quality without the premium price tag. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Did we miss any overpriced models? We'll see you in the next video. Until then, drive smart and save money.